everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am so excited for this, you guys. This I got is a birthday present for myself. Now, I really have been watching, I really love Jeffree Star. I've been a fan of him for a couple years, and I love watching Shane Dawson, and now him and Shane Dawson are working together. But one thing is, I've been really wanting to get Jeffree Star merchandise. It's just because, why not? So this was something that I paid for with my own money. It's my birthday month, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna buy something for myself with my money that I've earned, you know, from like with my Ibotta money. So I ended up just doing that, but I was so excited to get this. And the only reason why I got it is because, was it when I ordered it? I think it was like last weekend. It was on sale. Plus it was free shipping, and then when I went to hit checkout, I ended up getting 2 free items for what I got. So I'm going to show you guys what I got, and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like and give you my honest review. Some of you guys may or may not like how much I paid for all this stuff, but you know what? This is something that I wanted to splurge for me and something that I just wanted to get. But I did open the box up a little bit because I needed to take the box open, because otherwise I'll be sitting here forever to open it. But yes, a lot of you guys really enjoyed the mystery box that I got. Next time I do a mystery box, when they offer it again, I'm going to get a bigger item. So here is what I got. Now I did get 4 items in here, and I ended up getting a track suit outfit. Like, I don't know why, I've always wanted one. I've never had one, and I'm like, you know what, I'm so excited to get this. So I ended up getting the tracksuit jacket and lounge pants. Now the shirt or the jacket originally goes for $55, you guys. $55. I ended up getting this for $41. I got it for 41 bucks. So I was pretty excited for that. You know, I got it super cheap. I didn't get it super cheap, but this is probably going to be the most expensive clothing that I have besides my wedding dress. But I was really excited. They do have other colors to choose from, but I really love rainbow stuff, and black is my favorite color. Now, I didn't know what size to get. I am, you know, kind of a larger person because I have a gut, and I'm super tall. So I always have problems, you know, figuring out my size. And then I was watching some YouTube videos, and people are like that these are true to their size, and I'm like, okay. But one thing is, I was super excited to get a jacket. You know, I just love wearing jackets because I'm always cold. So this is something that I can wear when I am like freezing. So it fits my arms really good. I think that's awesome. And then it does go, like, you know, it does fit. Now let me zip it up because that's where I have problems with. I was afraid this is like not gonna fit me, but if I can get, you have to stretch it out a little bit. But yeah, I mean, it's a little tight on my stomach, but I just had a baby. But I think it's perfect. It is super warm. I love it. I just love it, you guys. I'm just gonna wear this, like, you know, for a jacket, just to keep warm. Just to keep warm, and it matches my background. So I ended up getting the matching pants. Now, I wasn't going to do this. I said I just want to do the jacket because they were also had free shipping available. So I'm like, okay, free shipping plus it's on sale. I'm like, okay. So the pants usually go for $45. $45, and I got these for $33.75. So I also got a size large. I am 5'10". So these pants, I was kind of skeptical about them fitting me. Charlotte's right next to my feet. So I was really excited to get some pants, but they look like they're going to fit. Let's just try them on. I got blue jeans on right now, but let's just try them on and see how they fit. Okay, you guys. Gotta get my pants on. And they fit actually pretty perfect. Now, I wear lounge pants all the time when I'm at home. Like, I wear pajama bottoms and all that stuff. But they fit fine. I mean, they fit comfortably. I mean, I'm wearing pants, so it's kind of hard. But they are perfect. Like, they fit me perfectly. And there's pockets, which I love. I love, I love. I mean, if you guys can see me wearing the pants, I got my own cool little tracksuit. It is now hot, but I think they're cool. They fit me perfect. Like, I just didn't know if I was going to get it long enough because I am a tall person. But they also had it where you guys can get a free item when you buy, I got a little card too. When you buy a clothing outfit, you get one item. Well, since I bought 2 outfits, I got 2 lipsticks absolutely free. Now, they did ask you what color. There wasn't a lot to choose from. I think there was like 6 shades to choose from. But these are $18 a piece, you guys. I don't like paying $18 for lipsticks, but I was pretty excited to get this. So the colors I got are Soft Serve and 818. Now they're a little bit different colors. They're not something, they didn't have like a lot of pinks. It was mostly like these cream colors. But I thought, you know what, we're gonna try it anyways. So this is, it's like a peach color. We'll do a little swatchy swatch. Yeah, it's like a little, it looks a lot better. I mean, it's kind of what color the shirt I was wearing is, so if you guys kind of see that. So this is the Soft Serve of that color. And I love his lipsticks. That's what I'm wearing right now, you guys. I like it. I wasn't a matte person until I wore Jeffree Star makeup. Yeah. Yeah. And the next one we got is the 818. Now this is a pink, more of a pink color. Actually, that's more of the color of the shirt that I'm wearing. So those are the colors. The bottom one is the 818 and the top one is the Soft Serve. But I like it. I like it. Now my hand's all full of lipstick. But yeah, I was pretty excited for this. So I got everything for $79.13. So I just paid for tax. That's all I paid for my area. But I ended, if you guys added all this stuff up together, it came up to be like $150, like just alone. It's like, it's crazy. But it said if without the lipsticks, it would have, with the lipsticks included in the price, the lipsticks say they're $13.50, but they're regular $18. But everything it says it's $102, and I got everything for $79.13. So a little pricey, but this is something that I really wanted. I really wanted a tracksuit. I really wanted something just kind of relaxed. And I don't know how often I'll wear this, the shirt and the pants together, but I'll definitely be wearing the jacket a lot now with fall coming along. But I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this, but I just wanted to give you guys a little review in case you guys needed to buy an outfit from Jeffree Star. But again, thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys all later for another Jeffree Star haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.